Hello friends, today General Agriculture Mark Test 4. If you didn't subscribe our channel, subscribe it. Only there are 10 questions. It's very easy questions and very important questions. Take the pen and paper and note down it. Let's go for the questions. First question, the greenhouse gas released from the paddy field. Which greenhouse gas released from the paddy field? Very important and easy question. The greenhouse gas released from the paddy field is methane. Answer is methane. Answer is methane. Coming to the second question, which state adopted seed law first in India? In India, which state adopted seed law first? Okay. Karnataka is the first state to adopt the seed law in India. Okay. Coming to the third question, which is the most efficient method of irrigation? Which is the most efficient method of irrigation? The answer for this question is drip irrigation is the most efficient method of irrigation. Okay, write it down. Drip irrigation. Okay. Coming to the fourth question, the irrigation method suitable for saline soils. Saline soils. Read the question carefully. The irrigation method suitable for saline soils is flooding method. Flooding method of irrigation is suitable for saline soils. Okay. Flooding method. Next, fifth question. The most extensively grown fruit crop in the world. Which is the most extensively grown fruit crop in the world is mango. Okay. Mango is the most efficiently grown fruit crop in the world. Next, which is known as camel crop? Which crop is known as camel crop? Okay, camel. Answer is jowar. It is otherwise known as sorghum. Why it is known as camel crop means because they can grow in prolonged drought conditions also. Okay. And they play a major role in food security of millions of people in marginal agriculture areas. Okay. Seventh question. Who is the father of agriculture chemistry? Who is the father of agriculture chemistry? The father of agriculture chemistry is Justus von Liebig. Justus von Liebig. Okay. And who gave law of minimum? Law of minimum is given by who? Actually, law of minimum is nothing but it is based on not about abundant nutrients, only the essential nutrients necessary for the growth of the plant. Okay, it is proposed by Justus von Liebig in 1840. Ninth question, which state is the largest producer of coffee in India? In India, which state is the largest producer of coffee? Okay. It is an important question and it is an easy question and it is a well-known question. Okay. Answer is Karnataka. Karnataka is the largest producer of coffee in India. Okay. Next, 10th question. National Biodiversity Board is situated at. Answer for the question is National Biodiversity Board is situated at New Delhi. Okay. If you didn't subscribe our channel, subscribe it. Read well. I'll meet you soon in next video. Thank you. Study well.